Hello, everyone. My name is Ibrahim Mukaila, and I am an instructor with Zacrac Learning. In this video, I'll be showing you how to calculate conditional columns. At times, when you have your data, you want to calculate an extra column. However, you want the value that will be in there to be based on the value of another column. What do I mean? Let's take for instance, all our sales. This is our sales data. We now want to calculate all our sales based on the kind of discount that is being given. So we say any discount that is zero means no discount. Any discount that is between zero and 2,000 is low discount. From 2,000 to 4,000 is medium discount, and anything above 4,000 is high discount. So how do we do this? So to do a conditional calculation on a conditional column, all we need to do is to come here, come to add column, and come to conditional column here and click on this. So once we click on it, it asks for the column name. So I'm going to call it discount type, and then it gives me my clause. How do I want to write it? If what? If discount equals zero, what do I want to put there? Then what? Then no discount. If I want to add more clause, I'll just click on add more. I'm going to click on more. Now, else if discount is greater than or equal to, or let me say is less than or equal to 2,000. I'm using less than or equal to 2,000. Say it is low discount. Add another clause. If discount is also less than or equal to 4,000, to make it medium discount, and then else. I'm not going to add anything outside this, then just make it high discount. So what I'm putting here is when it is zero, it is no discount. If it is now not zero, but it is less than 2,000 or equal to 2,000, make it low discount. If it is not there, but is less than or equals to 4,000, make it medium. And if it does not belong to any of these, just make it high discount. So I'm creating a conditional column based on this discount column. So I'm creating another column that is based on the value inside the discount column. So let's just click OK and let's see what we see. So let's click on this. So let's see what we have. You see we have no discount, we have medium discount, we have all type of discounts there based on what we select. So let's say I just select high discount, and this is it. And if I go to my discount, I would see, where's my discount? I'll see they are all above 4,000. So if I remove this and I decide to select medium discount, it should be between 2,000 and 4,000. So which is they are all above 2,000 but below 4,000. So this is how to do a conditional column based on the value of the column in the existing data. So thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn more on analytics with Power BI and other data science courses, kindly log on to www.sacraclearning.com. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to drop your comment below. Bye for now.